Now, when you want to start a channel, you need to have a YouTube account. Chances are you already got one, and that's probably the account through which you have been viewing YouTube all along, your Gmail account. But that's a bad idea. So we're going to be creating a separate account, your brand account, which will evolve as your personal brand. So we're going to go and view all channels. Then in this channel, we're going to go create a channel. Note, this is a page where you can create multiple channels depending on your separate interests or activities. But before we do that, we're going to be creating the gaming video content creators channel, but we're going to do a little bit of research first. You want to think about how your URL is going to look like. And I was thinking GVCC, perhaps. So let's see if there is already a channel with GVCC. And as you can see, there is one. However, it's 51 subscribers. Chances are it's not really that big, so maybe we could use that as a channel name. Let's check a few more options. Let's see if we go at gaming content creators. Let's see if that one is taken. Well, apparently it exists, but it has nothing, so it has just been created. Okay, that's also a possibility. And let's check then the full title, Gaming Video Content Creators. Does that one exist? No, so now we're checking the handles, and it's really important because you want it to be relatable to what you're going to be doing, and you want it to be easily memorable. So admittedly, Gaming Video Content Creators might not be the biggest handle, but it doesn't exist, which means we're going to use it for our handle. This is going to be important later on in your channel journey, but right now we're going to be creating gaming video content creators, and then we're going to be checking. I understand that I'm creating your Google account and all that jazz. Let's click on the create, and there we go. Boom bada boom, you have become a proud owner of your very own YouTube channel. Well, obviously it doesn't do much, but it's going to become much more useful, and we're going to be customizing a ton of it. So if you also want to be going to switch and going as your account. So now you're logged in as this account, and the next step we will be taking a look at, the customizing settings. And this we will need to be doing from the YouTube Studio, a dedicated app for the content creation. All right, this is the YouTube Studio. And in the next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your settings.